Hello guys, Ambassador Dion Osage is back in Nigeria and he has this message for you all. Please watch and leave your comment in the comment section and also subscribe to our channel Nigeria Watch. Thank you.
Solomon inu menwe amane ni ole o be baba o ona nenwe udamara menwe o to wale tuna udawara menwe o tebi ya wa dejo amawe o wasa benu mabanure ona se kitabule benu mabano we nona bikuye baba nu ge wa pa when you just worry and one when you are boy and no more game for ye. When you just worry and one when you are dollar, you know, give out out of the Rudima Guerra, Montague, no so. Give out your Gao, Rudima Guerra, Montague, no more. The Bayan Atier, the cliff in Ivy, the Bayan Atier, the cliff in the fancy material. I was a good Nudoga you pay me one pound. I was a good Yakumejo, Nudoga you pay me one pound. And when if you're not yet begging my soul, oh, yeah, we are a Luga building or the other. You know what are you talking? Brother, Mamma, don't know your Baba, nobody, Nima, you are. You know, I am a calling. When my big Baba, nobody, no one in this God. Hey, we say, hey,
Come on, let me see you that. Very good to you, come on.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on.
Now fight me, are you doing?
Yeah. This is Dion Osage. Dion Osage, reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. Yes. Want to check the gates, man? Please. Reporting live from Lagos, Nigeria. This is a direct message to Bush Lion. It is so easy for anybody to be behind the camera, making noise every day, talking trash on people, saying things you want to do and things you can't do. It's a big challenge. And I'm putting down 1 million naira, 1 million naira each. Let's do a charity UFC. I want to do a charity UFC with Bush Lion. Bush Lion, I understand that you are in Edo State, in Benin City. When I get to Benin City, I'm challenging you. I want to make you more popular, man. I want to make you more popular. I'm challenging you to a 1 million naira UFC fight, charity UFC. If you win me, go ahead and donate the money to your charity, the charity of your choice. All right? I'm ready to whoop your ass, bro. I know that you are an active or retired US military, but don't worry. With all your training, I'm going to whoop your ass. So it's a big challenge for you to take the offer. Take the offer. Let's set a date. Bring your family. I'll bring my family and friends. Let them watch. I really want to whoop your ass, bro. I mean, that's the truth. Because real men don't make a lot of noise like coins. Real men, real money don't make noise. It's coins that make noise. So if you know you're up for the fight, send us a message. It's a friendly match. I want my people to be there. Your people can be there. I want to whoop your ass for being so stupid. I really want to whoop your ass. So since you are in Edo State, there's no perfect time to do it. I'm putting down 1 million naira. You put down 1 million naira. Let's get a referee, man. Let's hit this. Let's hit the boxing ring. Probably today online, they make noise. They say that so this one. If you know you are a man, bring out your 1 million naira. I'll bring out my 1 million naira. We find a private coach or a private referee. I will give you time to train. We can do this weekend. Take your time, go and train. I'll do my training. We put the 1 million naira down. If I beat your ass, I take the money. If you beat my ass, you take the money. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Can young people be online making noise every day? No, you want to fight? Let's get to the floor, the boxing ring. I want to see where your power is. For your information, stay. If you know you're not going to do this fight, don't be in the same environment as me, because over the past you have used threatening word on me so many times. If I see you, I'm going to attack. So please, just stay in your lane, stay far away from me, or take the fight. And that's the way it is. We don't fight fair, man, because we get to understand that it doesn't matter how you kill your enemy. In 2020, I have said it, it's going to be a brutal year. If you cross my lane, I am going to take the charge. If you cross my lane, I am going to take the charge. And that's what it is going to be. You understand? I am going to take the charge. If you cross my lane, if you threaten me, if you act like a bully, I am also going to bully you. Not online, in real life. Challenge to Bush Lion. Huh? Who be that? See who's in the gate. Don't open gate for anybody. Yeah, are you expecting anyone? Okay, the cleaner. Alright? So it's a big challenge. Yes, Joseph, find a charity. But me, if I win, I'm going to support my charity, which I know I'm going to win. Most people who act like women online, they can't do nothing. Alright? 2020 is brutal. If you act up, if you threaten me, if I see you, I will poke out your eyes. Because I have to defend myself. If you are threatening that if you see me, you're going to kill me, that you're going to do this, if I see you, the first thing I will do to you is attack you. It's just the way it is. So send this message to him that I have offered 1 million naira as a challenge. UFC challenge. A charity is a charity cause that is done for everywhere for the world. Charity costs 1 million naira. If you think you can whoop my ass, come up with your 1 million naira. I'll do the same. We can do this on Saturday. Yeah, we don't enter the street again. Yeah. You know, from London to America to Canada to Texas to Lagos. Diaspora Estates. Yeah. So we will activate the guys who want one, have we? Because by tomorrow work don't start to.
Yes.
We need to get 1 trip of land, sand, gravel. What the engineer?
He did answer. That's all.
But I told you there now, Saka, you should have been direct. At least we call our tools.
We just buy cement and granite. So, kill my money.
No more than one trip.
One trip of
granite. We will still use them now.
We'll use them.
I just security work.
Alright, so guys, this is Diaspora Estate. The signboard, our signboard is never going to finish.
The man, you don't do it, but he's waiting for him. I say,
okay.
If we go now,
we'll talk now. Okay. So we are live at Diaspora Estate in Ibejuleki. All these plots you see, more they show them. More they show them. Because now walk too much this time. Because right now what we want to do, people who don't buy. People who don't buy. The first thing we need to do, after we do the security house, the first thing we want to do, everybody who don't buy, we'll do L shape for them.
Yes.
Everybody who don't buy from us,
Yes.
we'll just do L shape.
Yes.
That L shape, we'll write their plot number and their name, so that if they come, they'll know the land. Alright, so what we're trying to do now, we are live at Diaspora Estate. I want to appreciate those of you who have already made a purchase with us. All this land you see here, just back here is Amen Estate. Just back here is Amen Estate. Just back here is Edge. This area is fast growing. Alright, this is Dion Osage. As you can see, beautiful real estate in Lagos. Ikota, Lekki, Lagos. Alright, as you can see, all these are all new projects. It's all new projects. Brand new projects that is being done here. Brand new project that is being done here. So join our investment group. Our investment group, our real estate investment group on WhatsApp. We can actually do this. Alright, so I'm looking for a group of people who have the same dream, who can join hands with us. Alright, it's very, very simple. Buying in Lagos can be pretty difficult, but we can have a build a fourplex, two bedroom, fourplex, and split. As you can see, work is going on here. This is a duplex. All right. So actually, this is two. Unit 1, unit 2. You see? As you can see, this is 1. This is 2. So this is like 2 flats. This is 1. This is 1. This is 2. All right. So 2 people can actually come together to build this, right? But if one person want to do it, it's pretty much very difficult. So these are some of our dreams while we are here in Nigeria. You can see that. You can see. So one of the reasons why many people don't invest in Lagos, because it's very to buy a house in Lagos. It's very, very on a property in Lagos, but look at this property for example. Like this one here, 2 people can build this. This can be two family home, right? 2 people can build this. If a property in Lagos, like this one, this is a block of duplexes. Like this one is 1, 2, 3, 4. You see? So let's assume about 4 to build this. Building this cannot be more than 100, which means with 25 million each, you own a property in Lagos. And if you want to buy this property now, the way it is, it's nothing less than 40-45 million. You understand? So those are some of the dreams. All right. I want you to join our Diaspora Real Estate group. All right. On that group, we're going to be showing you different properties you can invest in, how you can invest, how you can own a house and pay in 10 years. How you can pay weekly. So many ideas will be coming on that group. So try to support the Diaspora Real Estate and Investment Group. Is a company that I registered a few months ago. I want to find a way to bring my people to invest in Lagos. One of my friends just bought one here, so that's why we're here. I wish you guys all the best. It's a good dream, you know, like when you have the complex will have their own room, have their own office building and all that. This is their pool. See? This one if we not also they'll say how to travel this what you will gain. Let me put it also. This one alright, so call me up, man. This is Dion Osage. If you want to buy property in Lagos, if you want to invest in Lagos, just go and join our diaspora investment group. Go and join that group. I'm going to share the group on this video when I'm done. So I'm going to be bringing you up where we can buy like 10 plots. In that 10 plots, we can find 20 people to build it. We can find 10 persons to build it. We can even find one plot and find 4 people who can build. Once we build, even in a one bedroom apartment, stay a build house for Lagos under 10 million is achievable, but we have to find right who are willing to invest in real estate. It's a beautiful one to Lagos, buy a nice property. But this particular place, I think they still have about six building left. They say that it's already sold out. Once you are building, it's selling out. That's just the way it is. The market is so big. All right, one love. I greet you guys. All my people. I love you guys. All right, one love. Bush Lion, I understand that you are in Edo State, in Benin City. When I get to Benin City, I'm challenging you. I want to make you more popular, man. I want to make you more popular. I'm challenging you to a 1 million naira UFC fight, charity UFC. If you win me, go ahead and donate the money to your charity, the charity of your choice. All right? I'm ready to whoop your ass, bro.